If you are thinking of earning extra money, then this video is for you. I tried 5 different side hustles in the last 30 days and the results will surprise you. Some hustle made me earn $100 in a day, and some turned out to be just time wasters. So watch till the end, because I will tell you which hustle can be best for you. Fast-paced clips of money transactions, online dashboards, people working on side hustles. Imagine waking up 1 month from now, checking your bank account, and seeing an extra few hundred or even a few $1,000s. Would it change your life? Now, what if I told you that I tried 5 different side hustles for 30 days to see which ones are actually worth your time? Some were surprisingly profitable. Others? Well, let's just say I'll never do them again. And trust me, you'll want to stick around until the end because one of these side hustles made me way more than I expected. Let's get into it. Imagine waking up 1 month from now, checking your bank account, and seeing an extra few hundred or even a few $1,000s. Would it change your life? Now, what if I told you that I tried 5 different side hustles for 30 days to see which ones are actually worth your time? Some were surprisingly profitable. Others? Well, let's just say I'll never do them again. And trust me, you'll want to stick around until the end because one of these side hustles made me way more than I expected. Let's get into it. ACT 1, the journey begins. Side hustle number 1 to freelance writing, 70 seconds, visual, typing on a laptop, emails from clients, payments received. I started with freelance writing because, hey, how hard could it be to get paid for typing words? Well, harder than I thought. First, I signed up on platforms like Upwork and Fiverr. The biggest challenge? Getting that first client. Imagine walking into a party where nobody knows you, and you start shouting, "Hey, pay me to write for you." Yeah. Not fun. But once I landed my first gig, $50 for a blog post, it snowballed. By the end of the month, I had made $1,200. Not bad for a side hustle that requires zero upfront investment. But can you make more than that? Well, the next hustle had way more earning potential. I took $100 and went hunting thrift stores, garage sales, clearance racks. And let me tell you, it felt like treasure hunting. One of my best flips? I bought an old VHS player for $5 and sold it for $80. Yep, people still buy those. By the end of 30 days, I turned $100 into $750 profit. Not too shabby. But here's the problem, this hustle takes time. Sourcing, listing, negotiating, it's not passive. That's why my next side hustle had me excited. It's something you can literally do from your phone. Here's the dream, create a t-shirt once, people buy it forever, and you wake up to passive income. So, I set up a store on Redbubble and Teespring, designed some simple shirts with funny quotes, and waited. And waited. And waited. After 2 weeks? 0 sales. But then, I learned a trick, trending designs. I made a t-shirt about a viral meme, posted it on TikTok, and boom, $200 in sales overnight. At the end of the month, I had made $600. But let's be real, this is hit or miss. One day you're making sales, the next? Crickets. So, what if you want something consistent? Well, this next hustle is about getting paid to do something you probably do every day. I signed up on Wizant and Cambly and started tutoring English and basic math. The cool part? You don't even need to be a teacher. One session paid me $25 an hour, and I only worked evenings. By the end of 30 days, I made $1,500. But here's the kicker, you're still trading time for money. Now, what if I told you the last side hustle made me money even while I slept? Affiliate marketing is like getting paid for recommending stuff. I signed up for Amazon Associates, promoted useful products on social media, and crickets. Then, I cracked the code honest reviews. Instead of spamming links, I made helpful content about things I actually use. One viral post later? $2,300 in commissions. Yep, the most profitable side hustle took the least amount of work. But what does this all mean? Let's break it down. Here's the final tally: freelance writing, $1,200, flipping items, $750, print on demand, $600, tutoring, $1,500, affiliate marketing, $2,300. So, what's the best side hustle? It depends. Want quick money? Flipping and tutoring. Want long-term passive income? Affiliate marketing. Want steady, flexible work? Freelance writing. But here's the real question: what's stopping you from trying one? I spent 30 days testing these side hustles so you don't have to. But none of this matters if you don't take action. Which side hustle interests you the most? Comment below, I want to hear your thoughts. And if you want to see how I made my first $10,000 in passive income, watch this video next. Don't miss it.